In this video, we are going to see how we can compose an email or send an email in Gmail. And this is for the PC version. So if you're using it on your PC or laptop, here's how you can do it. First of all, just open up your Gmail account. You log into gmail.com, log in with your credentials, and then you should land on this main screen. From here, on the top left-hand corner, you will see this compose option. Click on that. So if you don't see this option, and if your menu is collapsed, just click on the main menu to expand it, and then you should see this compose option. So once your new message is open in a window, you just select two. Two is for the recipient who will receive your email message. So in this case, I'll mention my email address, the same one as this one. And let's mention a subject. So whatever subject you want to mention, what is the title of that email, what that email is all about, you will mention that. And then you will mention in body whatever you want to send. So for example, an important update or whatever, you will mention it down here. And then we have a lot of functions, like if you want to attach the files, you will attach it from here. If you want to insert some links, you will insert the links here. You just type or paste the link, and that will be added right away. You can also insert some smileys. You can insert files directly from Google Drive. You can insert a photo that is not an attachment, but a direct photo that will be inserted in the body of the email. So for example, I'll insert this, click on insert, and that's how it will be added. You can obviously resize it if you want to. And then we also have the option to include the signatures if you want to. We also have some saved signatures, and we can label it and set up a time or schedule that email. So once everything is finalized, either you can schedule send. That means if you want this email to be delivered at a specific time on a specific date, you can mention that. Or otherwise, if you want to send it right away, you click on send, and that way the email will be sent. And then let's say that you have sent message to someone or someone has sent message to you. All we do to view it is just click on it, and here you go. You will see the message along with any of the attachments that is added right here. We can reply to it by just using this arrow down here, or you can forward it to someone else, or whatever you want to do. You want to translate, you want to download the message, or anything like that. So that is how you can send and receive email in Gmail in the browser version. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.